Hey YouTube, this is Passive Cash Stacker, and we're going to dive back into Postcron social media automation. Today we're going to show you how to set up the URL shortener bit.ly for Postcron. So all you do is you go to My Account, you do Social Media Accounts, you scroll down, you select the URL shortener, and then what it's going to say is connect your bit.ly account. So you go ahead and connect bit.ly. And then you just click the Allow button. And if you haven't already signed in, it's going to ask you to sign into your account or create an account. Once it gets past that, then it will say that it is connected, and you can either disconnect it or leave it there. So like I said, you just go to URL shortener, connect it, and everything is quick, simple, and easy. If this tutorial was helpful, please let us know. If you click the link below, you can get a free month of Postcron premium access. Just click the link and you can get that. Please like and share. We'll talk to you later.